Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file TDS Revised Return 26Q Online Full Guide. Open the TDS portal and sign in with your TAN and password, then go directly to the Returns Filing menu. Pick the revised Form 26Q, choose the applicable quarter and assessment year, and attach corrected annexures. Run the automated validation, correct flagged errors, pay any tax or interest due, submit the revised return, and save the acknowledgement for your records. Start by reconciling your annexure totals with the values on Form 26Q to prevent basic mismatches. Verify each PAN and TAN entry for correct formatting and spelling to avoid validation failures. Double-check challenge serials, dates, and tax amounts so refunds or credits are not delayed. If interest applies, compute it accurately and include payment details. Keep a checklist and run portal validations until there are no outstanding errors. If you are finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more useful content for you. Quick recommendation: I recently started using Darn Tough socks, and they are surprisingly comfortable and durable, a small comfort while crunching numbers. Check the video description for the product link and other deals I mentioned, and bookmark this guide for future reference. Now let's get back to the video. Begin by preparing corrected annexures offline and confirming totals match your ledgers. Log into the TDS portal, select the revised Form 26Q, and upload the annexures using the specified template. Run the portal's validation routine and address each flagged issue until validation shows no errors. Make any required tax or interest payment online, submit the revised return, and download the digital acknowledgement for your files and future audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.